Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad problem, that is 14 raised to power t minus 7 raised to power t equals 147. This question looks stunning, but when I solve this, it will become very easy and simple. First of all, we will apply an important rule here. According to that, a raised to power x into b raised to power x can be written as ab whole power is x. So 14 raised to power t can be write as 2 raised to power t into 7 raised to power t minus 7 raised to power t equals 147. From this we can take 7 raised to power t as common. So remaining will be 2 raised to power t minus 1, and that equals 147. Now we will consider this as 7 raised to power t will be greater than 2 raised to power t minus 1. Now we can make the factors of 147. 147 can be write as first factor is greater, so 147 into 1, and then 147 can be write as also if we divide this by 21, so divide this by 7, so we get 21, and for the other one if we divide this by 3 we can get 49 and 3. So this can be easily solvable because this will become the power of 7. So we will use this vector. We can also use this one, but this can be easily comparable. So 7 raised to power t into 2 raised to power t minus 1, and 147 can be written as 49 into 3. So we will compare 7 raised to power t equals 49 and 2 raised to power t minus 1 equals 3. Now from this we have 7 raised to power t equals 49 can be written as 7 square, which gives us that t equals 2. For this one we have 2 raised to power t equal 3 plus 1, that gives 2 raised to power t equals 4, which implies that 2 raised to power t equal 2 square. If the bases are same, powers are also same, so we get t equals 2. From both the equations we get the value of t, that equals 2. Now we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So verify our answer. So what will happen? At t equals 2. So we will substitute 14 power 2 minus 7 power 2, that equal 147. So first of all we will calculate the 14 square. So that is 196. 7 square is 49. So subtract this. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. You can see left hand side equals right hand side. It's mean our solution is correct. T equals 2. This is the right answer. So you can see how we have done this question just by making the factors of 14 and just taken the common and compare the factors. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. This channel is the learning hub for A levels, O levels, IGCSE, GCSE, SAT, ACT, Olympiad math problem, and many others mathematical solution like college algebra and many other solution. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.